I'm Helen McMahon for Expert Village. Today we're going to do something quite interesting which will be a great holiday treat. You've all made chocolate brownies at one time or another, and there are many variations on the theme, but we're going to combine them with blonde brownies and make a checkerboard design. Here's how we're going to do it. First of all, you need to set the oven for 350 degrees. So the oven will come to the full temperature when you're ready to put your brownies in the oven. And we start out with 1 stick of butter or margarine. It should be somewhat soft, so if you take it out of the refrigerator beforehand, it will be just at the right temperature. If it's still very hard, then you might want to just melt it a little bit. I get that butter started, so you start creaming the butter, and then you take 2 good-sized eggs, and let those beat with the butter as it's creaming.